you have to be aware. If you want into the programming lifestyle, if you want to be programmer, you probably will have to most boring lifestyle. You wake up early, you starting coding, you starting learning some things, you starting do something like for need to focus. Because yes, you need to focus. You always need to focus something boring. Look, for instance, let's you want to register any applications. If process it is took to take the long time, probably you will already boring and say, okay, want something more faster. I wanna register it is just one click. I wanna register it is just one movement, nothing more. But coding, you actually every pieces you have to learn what happened behind hook. You write the number, what happened, what is this integer. You write your name, what is this string, how is it work, it is fast or not, it is scalable, is maintainable. You have to care about everything, every detail, and you have to grow your knowledge day to day. It is like mostly people say, okay, 1 years I work and I starting be I become programmer, and after that you continue work. You always should be keep the working, keep the learning, keep the always focus some things. If you don't, let's say you just focus something for 2 years, after that technology every day is changed, every hour is changed, new technology, new language, new programming language, every day is changed, and you have to actually keep them. You have to running, learning new things. It is not enjoyable. I mean, it is boring. Yeah, it is boring because you will stay, you will sit in a chair, and its chair should be comfortable, and you open your two screen, one screen, and starting learning. And because probably most people thinking, okay, I will have to one computer and I am free, I can travel and coding. What? How? With this computer, do you think I can travel with this setup or this chair? No. Quick stop. If you liked this video, also if you like to learn about programming and programming life, subscribe my channel and give me a like. So let's continue. It is impossible. I mean, okay, somebody do it. I really they inspire me. How? But for me, I actually cannot travel. I cannot like travel with my old setup. Yes, it is clear. But why we still stay be better programmer? Because we addicted. Definitely we addicted. I mean, it's after a while it's starting become discipline, and everything is naturally. You naturally wake up, naturally open the computer, naturally. I mean, you starting used to it this boring life. You say, okay, this is my life boring, and probably you will be, I'm sorry, I don't want to say it, but probably you will be alone. Yeah, guy, alone. Probably. I mean, most programmers is alone. Why? Because nobody accept this life. I mean, your friend, what will do? You will coding with you? No. Your friends will say, okay, let's go to outside. I'm sorry, I have to learn this technology. Let's go to party. Tomorrow I will wake up and finish my task. Okay, we can go to somewhere for traveling. Actually, I have to make video or make some things or be more productive. I cannot. And finally, your friends say, okay, bye bye. Nobody want this boring life. And yes, guys, you will be alone. And it the second things, you will be aware. Why we still struggle for be better programming? It is clear. Money. Yeah, of course, money. I mean, okay, we have some different advantages, but most advantages, of course, money. When you learn, when you grow your knowledge, when you learn new things, and actually your income is growing. It is same when your knowledge is grow and your income also is grow. Therefore, we always struggle for keep our knowledge better and then better and then better. So it's clear for money. And but yes, and boring life. What we need for keep the stay boring life, actually, it is most powerful skill for programmer. Yes, it is most powerful skill. Patience. If you have enough patience, if you say, okay, I have enough patience. I mean, I have patience for create the patient. I have little bit patient, but I know if I be patient, my patience is skill is will grow, and I will be more patient and more and more, and I can handle it. Yes, if you have enough patience, do it. Programming is for you because you will try thousand times. You will try to learn thousand times. You will start. It is hard things not learning. I mean, you can learn, but hard things you always have to be focused. I mean, learning not just read something, I learn. No, you have to be focused. What does mean? What does mean? Because they tell complex things. Here is object, here have client, here have server, here have blah blah blah, like many terminology, many things, and you have to say, okay, let's imagine, let's visualize in your brain what happened here, and you starting visualize your brain, and you have to be always focused, more focused. This part is hard part. This part is hard because just basic documents. You read documents, you have to try with yourself. It is working. You have to prove for understanding, or less you watch the video. Most like you cannot watch the video like watch the like movie. I mean, you saw programmer videos is boring, bad voice, or nothing important. But again, people watch because it is important what they say. What they say. It is like microphone or every different things don't affect. Is most effective what they say, and you have to focus and say, okay, they coding this, okay, let's try with myself. They coding this, okay, let's try myself. And you will try, it doesn't work. He try working, but you try doesn't work. So what happened? You have to find the exception. Why it is exception come, and you have to be focused. And it is just 10 minutes video. You will say, okay, I spent 1 hour for learning this topic, and really I learned. Okay, let's try different search with different tutorial. Let's read, let's blah blah, let's blah. And what is this? Is how integer is work or hard string work is basic stuff. And but for basic stuff, you have to spend your days maybe. Okay, I don't want to scare at you. I actually not complain about programming. Is I for me I used to it. I mean, I just discipline came to my life right now. I just wake up and starting coding. It is okay. But I want to like be you be aware. If you be programmer, just you have to improve your patience skill. And okay, it's just not it is bad side. Okay, I mean I cannot say bad because also it is good. I mean, be patient is not bad. Be patient is also you grow and you say, okay, life it is not like I imagine, and it is good actually. And also yes, you have more freedom, you have more respectful life. Your environment starting respect you, your company friends, team friends starting respect you, and is most powerful people in the software market. Actually everyone respect knowledge, and you starting be know more knowledge, and people start more respect you, and it is so kind, actually so kind. I like this. I love this part when you learn something, people starting carry you, your team starting carry you, and you actually growing in this market. So actually, I want to like talk about this lifestyle. What will happen if you into the programmer lifestyle? And yes, definitely will not enjoy. You will not enjoy, but you will earn different things. And actually, this from next video. So see you next time.